Today, we're diving into the world of pressure cookers and revealing the top 5 best pressure cookers in 2024. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, a pressure cooker can be your secret weapon for making delicious meals in a fraction of the time. So if you're on the hunt for the best one, you're in the right place. Let's get cooking. Number 1. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker is the latest must-have for any kitchen enthusiast, combining convenience, versatility, and precision in one appliance. This model elevates the popular Instant Pot experience by offering 10 functions, making it a multi-cooker powerhouse that can pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, and even sous vide, among other options. Designed with busy home cooks in mind, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 features an intuitive LCD display with customizable cooking programs, letting users save their favorite settings for specific meals. With its large 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or those who love meal prepping. Safety and ease of use are also at the forefront, thanks to over 11 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Plus, it cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods, preserving flavors and nutrients in a fraction of the time. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and its sleek black finish makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. For those seeking a reliable, multifunctional appliance, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a worthy investment that simplifies cooking while delivering gourmet results. Number 2. The Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker is a high-tech appliance that offers unmatched versatility and precision in cooking. Known for its user-friendly features and smart design, this pressure cooker seamlessly combines the convenience of slow cooking and pressure cooking into one advanced machine. With dual sensors at the top and bottom, it monitors temperature and pressure, automatically adjusting settings to ensure perfectly cooked meals every time. Equipped with 11 preset cooking functions, the Breville Fast Slow Pro allows users to saute, steam, reduce, and even make risotto, all in one pot. Its intuitive LCD screen simplifies the cooking process, displaying real-time pressure and temperature changes. The cooker also includes a hands-free steam release feature, enhancing safety and keeping kitchen messes to a minimum. Built with durable stainless steel and a modern, sleek design, the Breville Fast Slow Pro not only performs well but also looks great on any kitchen counter. The non-stick cooking bowl is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup fast and easy. Ideal for those who appreciate gourmet results without the hassle, the Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker delivers restaurant-quality meals at home with a focus on efficiency, safety, and user-friendly innovation. Number 3. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a cutting-edge appliance designed for the tech-savvy cook. This smart cooker connects seamlessly to the Chef IQ app, offering a guided cooking experience with over 300 pre-programmed recipes and cooking presets that take the guesswork out of meal prep. With features like pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and searing, this versatile cooker does the work of multiple appliances, saving both time and counter space. One of its standout features is the built-in scale, which weighs ingredients directly in the pot, allowing for precise measurements and perfect portions. The cooker also uses advanced technology to automatically adjust time and temperature based on recipe requirements, ensuring consistent, gourmet-quality results. The high-resolution LCD screen and touch controls provide a user-friendly experience, displaying cooking progress, real-time adjustments, and safety prompts. Cleanup is hassle-free with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe cooking pot, while its modern, minimalist design complements any kitchen. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker can be controlled remotely, allowing users to monitor and adjust cooking settings through their phone. It's an excellent choice for those seeking convenience, precision, and the latest in smart kitchen innovation. Number 4. The Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Pressure Cooker is a high-quality stovetop cooker that combines Swiss engineering with a timeless design, making it a reliable choice for home chefs and professionals alike. Known for its durability and efficiency, the Duromatic uses high-grade stainless steel for longevity and easy maintenance, while its encapsulated base ensures even heat distribution. One of the standout features of the Duromatic is its advanced safety system, which includes an automatic locking lid and multiple pressure release valves to prevent accidents. Unlike many stovetop pressure cookers, the Duromatic operates quietly, reducing noise while delivering perfectly cooked meals quickly and efficiently. Its precision cooking capabilities preserve nutrients and flavors, making it ideal for everything from stews and soups to beans and grains. Designed for convenience, the Duromatic offers 2 pressure settings, allowing users to adjust for delicate or hearty recipes. Its sleek, modern appearance fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip. Cleaning up is straightforward, as the cooker's high-quality stainless steel surface resists stains and is dishwasher safe. For those who appreciate traditional stovetop pressure cooking with a focus on safety and reliability, the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic stands out as a premium choice. Number 5. The Presto stainless steel pressure cooker is a dependable and affordable option for anyone looking to enjoy the benefits of pressure cooking. Known for its simplicity and solid construction, this stovetop cooker combines high-quality stainless steel with straightforward functionality, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced cooks. The durable stainless steel body not only ensures longevity but also provides even heat distribution, essential for consistently cooked meals. Available in multiple sizes, the Presto pressure cooker accommodates a variety of meal sizes, from family dinners to meal prepping essentials. Its timeless design and polished finish add a touch of classic style to any kitchen. One of its key features is the pressure regulator, which maintains the ideal cooking pressure for perfect results. The Presto cooker also includes a secure, easy-to-lock lid with an overpressure plug, ensuring safe operation every time. The cooker is versatile, ideal for canning, stews, meats, and vegetables, and its stainless steel body is dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. Offering efficient performance without complex settings, the Presto stainless steel pressure cooker is a practical choice for those who appreciate reliable performance, classic design, and straightforward cooking solutions.